What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. I'm Quentin, and today I'm doing a pretty much like a style shoot with another photographer named Stacy. I'm gonna put all of her information right there in the description below. Listen, you gotta check out her stuff. She's very creative, and if you're looking to do any type of like style shoot, she's definitely the person you need to go to. So we're gonna hop right into it. We're just gonna put some this over to the side. I got a tripod set up, so I'm gonna just put that over to the side, and then I'm gonna put the GoPro like I always do as well, and you guys are gonna see how we shoot. So I think we got like two, maybe, yeah, two outfits, right? Just two? Yeah, 2 or 3. Yeah. It's perfect golden hour. We got great weather, so we're just gonna shoot through it and see what we get. All right, let's get right into it.
So do you use Sony most of the time?
Mm-hmm. All the time. Yeah. I used like, so I've shot with all of them just because, like, I started with Nikon, I shot with Canon for a while, and then back in 2019 I went to Sony. So, all right, so we got the 50. I'm just going to shoot, and you can go ahead and like look out. Yeah, this is a good spot.
I looked over there. He put me off with both fingers.
Yeah, see. So.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Thanks, hon. You're gonna make me laugh. I do better, like,
yeah. Okay, so let's have you scooch over this way. Yeah, right there in that sun. Yep. See if that. Yeah, I've been like, I use the 85 and I use this 50, but I really just want a 35 1.4 so bad, but that 50 just works. Okay, I'm gonna get a little closer. And then just like look out this way. Perfect. That was a really good one. So go ahead and just like cross over too. I do this a lot too. I don't know, for like my post. Yeah, exactly. You're already doing it. Yeah, you're doing the. It's the praying mantis. I don't know.
No, Heather told me once to pretend like I'm holding 2 peas in my hand.
Oh, that's a good one. I just learned from Cole. He was doing groom like stuff. He told them he used to pretend that they're washing their hands.
Yeah, that would be good because this is.
I was just, yeah, and I was just like, I didn't never even thought of that and stuff before. So, yeah, 2 peas.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
And then interlace so many times. Like,
that's a lot better than, because I've been saying like praying mantis, and yeah,
mantis.
yeah, they've been like going crazy with it. So some of them works. Yeah.
I can imagine.
Yeah, that looks really good. See, it's literally just those little details that you can just like kind of switch and tell the client. Oh, it's amazing. All right.
Do you want me to,
Yeah, I think on the, do it one more time. So when you go the other spin. Yeah. So yeah, so right there when you come with your hand out this way, I think that looks a little bit better. And then you're kind of like looking down, and the sun's there. Yep. Yeah, what? Yeah, keep doing that so we get a flat.
I lose my balance, so if I put my foot down, that's fine.
No, you're good. That's good. That's so good.
Good.
Oh, I'm so excited to edit this. Yeah, skirt has like ruffles and shows movement too. And then even if you want to like just rock to and from, yeah, and then putting like, yep, that's perfect. And I love negative space too. So like you're being shot, you know, and then this is just.
It's actually great.
What is it?
I like the space like stuff that
Okay, about right there might work, and then just face me. That right there looks really good. Yeah. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we have this giant field, and we have some of these really long shadows all the way through here. I'm going to try to shoot more of a wide shot. She has these red boots on, and I think that's really going to pop, and it's just going to like be a really good, when I get edited, it's going to be like a super good like golden auburn type of feel. So yeah, let's see. I got the 50 on it, so I don't have to get super far away to get a wide shot. This can do pretty well, but I'm going to put the tripod over here so you guys really see those shadows for the behind the scenes. And then Let's see what I can do here. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna work. Yeah, I have like this really super harsh like type of shadow in my head and stuff, so. Oh geez, it's all this grass. Okay, so yeah, you just kind of do your poses. Your head right now is on the same like horizon level, so it's like there's levels to it, you know, like it's perfect. All right, and I'm gonna get a little bit closer. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start here, work my way around, and you just kind of like go into the posing, and then by the end of it, I'm gonna do like details of your shirt, like your boots. So this could be like a whole, this could literally be like a whole set right here, okay? Yep, I like the leg cross. That looks good. Yep, and then kind of keep on turning towards me as I go around and stuff as well. And then fix hair when you need to. It's popping right here. Yep. So you just do your thing. I know it's hot. Yep. Guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and definitely follow Stacy. She is a amazing creative, and she's doing all this posing by herself. So I've barely even said anything, and this is what's really good about collaborating with another photographer. They just automatically know what you're kind of like looking for and vibing for, and it just makes it a lot easier. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a close-up of it where you can kind of like, yeah, and stuff. But let me do a couple more of just these. I can't hardly see anything, so I'm hoping you're in focus. I'm just like clicking. Okay, so you just kind of like,
and also prop it up and put it like in the air.
yeah, let's do that. No, you're good. Perfect. All right, and just like face me. And then maybe like hands in your back pockets.
Oh yeah.
And then just kind of like.
Sweat running down. I'm never
No.
ready, I swear. I feel like I'm like
No, you're good. Okay. Yeah, and then chin up. And then look away.
Was it weird? Like that
Maybe like forward if you do it to the side, maybe.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, about right there.
Just a little bit.
And then like kind of, instead of looking at me, yeah, look back. Yeah.
Put some hair down. Can't really get my hand in my pocket because it's just...
Yeah, and let me get just a close-up of just like your face right here. That was perfect. Yeah.
I'm really confident because of the sweat.
No. Recording these because these are definitely really good. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Okay, that looks good. And then, yep. Turn, keep that, just turn, yep. And then look over your left shoulder. Like more so that somebody back there just called your name. And you're, yep, perfect. And then back of the camera. And then chin up a little bit.
Like boots in the air type stuff.
Yeah, this is good. Do your thing. Yep. The light's popping. It's doing a really cool thing. Kind of like lean back to it with it. Yeah, perfect. And then just hold. And then get a little bit closer. And then look over your right shoulder, like towards Danny. And then chin up a little bit. Yep. Do that one more time, actually. The red is like, the red's popping. What you do? I'm literally just taking a photo based on the light. Like sometimes I'm so blinded by this, like the lens flare. Like I go back and I'm just like, I have like 40 photos that I can't even use because, but I'm just sitting there, it's like, I hope it's good.
I don't know, I can't even tell
Yeah.
focus. That's like, I've never.
All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. Stacy killed it, as always. All of her info is gonna be located in the description below, like I said before. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stacy not only does creative shoots, but she also owns her own studio too, so I'm gonna put that link in there too if you're interested in booking as well. So if you guys like this, make sure, like I said, please like and subscribe, comment, let us know what you want on this channel, and we'll see you in the next.